Nifty opened with a slight gap down opening and the bulls took charge. This range provided support, the swing lows of here and swing high of here. This range provided support. Then the index made a higher low at that, and thereafter short covering triggered, breaching all both the targets of 9917 and fell little shy of 10,110. Now heading forward, there are again two possibilities emerging. This zone, the swing high 10,110 to 10,150 will be an area to add shorts if there's a rejection over here. So this area should be watched very carefully, and if there's a rejection, fresh shorts can be initiated for an immediate downside of 9975, and below that it can test 9917. On a sustained move above 10150, the index can rally to test 10,300 and this swing high of 10,350. Now let's check Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also opened with a muted opening, and thereafter this zone of multiple tops and bottoms provided support. Thereafter the index headed high, and on the pullback this provided a support making a higher low, and as and when this high got crossed, short covering triggered sharply and the index breached 2599, which it was unable to breach for many sessions now with a boom candle, and it ended almost at the highest point of the day. Now it has ended between the range of 21,268 and 2599. So if initially if there's a gap up opening around 21,268, then fresh shorts can be initiated on rejection candle for a target of 2599. On the contrary, if there's a gap down opening at index takes supports over here, then this resistance will turn as support, so it should halt here, and thereafter your target will be 21,268 on the upside with a minor resistance at this swing high of 21,000 approx level is expected towards Wednesday and Thursday. Now open interest has been built up on 10,100 on the put side, and on the call side 10,300 has added fresh open interest in today's session. So it will be pretty early to take a call on this basis, but you can comfortably sell 10,000 or 9,900 puts because they have added open interest in today's session. Now net to net basis, open interest in Nifty stands at 9,900 highest put open interest. Thereafter 10,000 has the highest put open interest. On the call side there's no major open interest built up, but 10,300 has a bit of resistance. So heading forward you can sell 9,900 call put in the Friday's trade or around Friday closing, so you'll get a 2-day time value on Monday opening 9,900 put on. And if you want to play on the call side, then you can sell 10,300, but it will be a bit risky, so it should be avoided. Now let's check Bank Nifty open interest. Fresh open interest has been added in 21,000 call and put, so this is a short strangle retained by the option sellers who expect an expiry to be at 21,000 only. On the other sides there hasn't been any big open interest built up for today, so it will take a time, 1 or 2 day at least. On Friday evening it will be clear that which side the highest open interest will be built up, so thereafter we will predict the expiry range. Now open interest, net to net open interest is on the 21,000 straddle with more open interest on the call side. So this is what is available for Nifty, and options data will be clear by Friday evening. So we'll take a call tomorrow evening what side to be sold for a 2-day time value. For daily such content, please like and share our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. This is Anshul signing off for the day. Thank you.